Baby. What? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's vlog, we are headed to San Antonio, Texas for my birthday. And everything is a surprise, and he won't tell me what we're doing. So y'all gonna see just like I did. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below and stay tuned. So this is the room. This is safe, closet. It's like a whole, like a little apartment. What in the world? Ooh, look at the headboard. So nice. So nice. And look at this big old mirror. It's really, it's so pretty. I'm gonna have to show y'all in the daytime. And our hotel is right on the river. All right, y'all, good morning. So the hotel is really nice. I'm gonna have to show y'all in the daytime because it was dark last night when we got here, but it's really nice and it's right on the riverwalk. So I'm super excited about that. We're about to go grab some breakfast and then run to the mall real quick, and then we have something planned for later, which I told y'all I don't know what we're doing, so we gonna see. But if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below and stay tuned. All right, y'all, so here's part of the riverwalk. We can, baby. And our hotel is right there behind the bar. And we about to get on these scooters, y'all. I'm scared to death. This is my second time riding these scooters. And the first time I almost busted my stuff. So we're gonna ride these to the mall. But it's so nice. Okay, update, y'all. I only came like 2 blocks in. If y'all can tell, I'm out of breath and this is scary. But we about to keep going to get to the mall, so. Go ahead. Huh? So we're at the mall. You can see the riverwalk from in here. It's so nice out here. So we went to the mall, but then we got hungry. So now we're at Yard House. We're about to eat some food, and we're gonna go back to the mall, and then we're gonna go get ready for this festivity or whatever it is we're doing. So yeah, look at my drink. It's a Pineapple Express. All right, so I got lobster and crab shrimp noodles. It's fire. And he got tacos and rice. That rice looks plain.
Was it?
You don't think so? Let me have it. And I said we can.
You have to, baby. You want to do things you want to do.
Alright, we're going back to the scooters. Great. You ready? 3 minutes?
Or by car. I mean by
scooter.
Scooter, yeah.
They got a wax museum. They got all kinds of different festivities. Is that the word? We changed our mind. We're not doing the scooters. We're walking because it feels so nice out. And I was kind of scared. Wow. And I was slightly scared. This is the inside of our hotel. There's elevators in the back. Go upstairs. So nice. All right, y'all. So we just got back, got changed, and now we're about to go to the activity that I don't know what we're doing. So we're about to see what's about to happen. I know my hair keeps changing because I just keep switching up how I'm gonna look. But make sure if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. We're about to go check it out. I still gotta take my scarf off, but don't mind the mess. All right, so we're almost there. We're a few minutes late because the ballet took forever with the car, but that's okay. So we're about to see what it is. I'm excited. And it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day outside. So we're here. It hasn't started, but it's a sushi making class. I'm so excited. We love sushi. And it's a sushi making class, so I'm really excited to get started. And I'm so happy that this was a surprise. Guys, he just grabbed.
And what we have in here, stretch.
Good.
Going to get the seaweed for you. Okay.
Okay.
That ain't so good.
Oops.
Start it again, baby.
Don't do that.
No, like make sure.
Good job. Good job. You good?
No, in group setting.
Make it evenly. And that on this side, leave a little bit. On
Okay.
this side,
Okay.
leave it a little bit. The rest. Yeah, hey. Good job. Good job. Because we're going to roll it.
Like kind of like sticky.
Yeah, make it sticky.
Okay.
But not a lot. Okay, let me see. Good job. Okay, then you turn it around. Yeah, okay, that's good. Yeah, like that. Okay.
This is my finished roll. He said I need to use the match roll a little tighter because this one is on roll. He said his looked a little better than mine, but whatever.
Avocado, and we got the rice.
So
For those who didn't taste the rice earlier, anyway, like that. Yes.
flip it over. He said.
Yeah. Harder, don't worry. Just pick it. Yeah.
I'll be right there.
For both?
Yeah, I'm focusing.
Okay, look at this. Okay, like that. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, exactly. Hey, avocado.
We don't like avocado.
You don't like avocado. You don't like avocado?
No, thank you.
Okay, no problem. We almost covered it.
Okay.
Use the finger to squeeze the sugar. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, like that. Good. Yeah, and you can put into here, and later I cut it for you.
Okay, thank
be
you.
put like that.
Oh.
And this is you can eat like that, or you can put on top.
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh.
You finish it. Good job.
Now this one, I believe, is rolled perfectly. And then he gonna cut it. I'm gonna put this little crab on there. This my type of roll. All right, y'all. This is the final product. It's my type of sushi. Is it good? So proud of myself. Y'all, that sushi class was so fun, and that sushi was fire, like fire. About to have to. Is that right? Basically, about to start making sushi because that second roll, fire. So I'm so glad that was a surprise, and now we're about to go back to the hotel and walk on the riverwalk and get some drinks. Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Welcome back.
Thank you. Also in our hotel, it's a bar. Yeah, we can. So these little peaches or oranges, whatever they are celebrities. It's like Will Downing, Ricky Martin. I seen Jada Pinkett Smith up top. They're all celebrities who signed them. I seen Ice Cube as well. Yeah. Riverwalk is right out there. And this is in our hotel. We're gonna go to the bar, grab a drink. Yes. Alright, we're coming out of the hotel. Right on the Riverwalk. There's a restaurant. Very nice. Very nice. We made it all the way down the stairs and now we're here. We're gonna walk around and peek the scenery. Beautiful. Hold on.
Is that fish?
Where? Oh. Oh my goodness. RIP to the catfish. She's trying to cook some catfish? Wow. They're not social distancing. I got my mask on though. Got a little drinks on the Riverwalk. I gotta breathe, please. Morning. It's my birthday. And I'm about to get up, get in the shower, and get ready for the day. I have 2 things planned, and of course, I don't know what they are, so I'm about to get up and get ready for my birthday. All right, y'all, we about to go check out the hotel and then get our day going. So make sure y'all stay tuned, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. Here we are again. Back on the scooters. All right, y'all, I barely survived the scooters across the few train tracks and thought my life was over, but we're at Halcyon? Halicon. That's how you say it. Coffee bar and lounge. We're about to go check it out. So I was right, y'all. It was pronounced Halcyon. Doesn't matter. Alright, so I got a skillet. We just got pancakes, which we also going to eat later. And our mimosas. So brunch was really good. That place was really good. The skillet was fire. The mimosas was good. And we have a little bit of time before we go to the last activity, or I think we're going to eat, but wherever we're going. So we're just out here on the riverwalk. The riverwalk is really long because we left our hotel. It was like 10 minutes back and we're still on the riverwalk. So y'all, we just pulled up. Look at this. That's so high. Y'all, apparently this is a restaurant and we are going all the way up there. Oh Lord. Baby. What the? Wow. Thank you. It's spinning? Y'all, look at this. The floor is spinning. Wow. Wow. This is beautiful. Baby. And it's spinning, so we're gonna see everything. Wow. Okay, so we moved tables. The motion was a little too much for him. A little crazy on your belly, but that's where we were. We were right there. So this is so nice. So nice. All right, got a crab cake, of course, and some calamari. I got the lobster tails, the cream spinach. You should have just stay look good, baby. Got the New York strip, potatoes. So excited. I got a birthday cake. What is this called? Mud pie. No. Yeah, mud pie. Doesn't look that good. I probably won't eat it, but I appreciate it. Okay, on the house. The cake? Yeah. Happy birthday to me, sing baby.
Happy birthday.
Not so loud.
To you.
Not so loud.
Happy birthday
Okay.
to you.
Okay.
Happy birthday, dear Patrice. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Okay, but
Thank you.
someone's getting proposed to. So beautiful. Y'all, that restaurant was just chef's kiss. No, but y'all, that restaurant was really, it was so good, like top tier. So good. But yes, that is the end of this trip. I had a blast for my birthday, and now we're about to head back to Houston. So I hope y'all enjoyed it, because I did. Okay, but thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any more videos. But that's all I got for now. On the go, Patrice Nicole. On the go, Patrice Nicole. See ya.